The front lever raise is an advanced calisthenic move that targets the back and core. This is considered a progression exercise to the full front lever hold. If this is too hard, start with the tuck front lever exercise. To get started, grab the bar with a shoulder width grip with your hands facing away from you, and you can also use a neutral grip if you have access. As you're in the full hang position with toes pointed, think about turning your entire body into a rigid board. To do this, engage your lats by retracting your shoulder blades back and down. It's also very important to keep your core tight and your glutes contracted. Once your entire body is tight, think about pushing down on the bar while keeping your arms straight. By keeping your entire body tight, this will help raise your legs similar to a lever. Once you build enough back and core strength, the goal is to raise your body to parallel to the ground while keeping your body as straight as a board. Under control, reverse the movement, keeping your body straight, then repeat for reps. Subscribe for more Live Lean TV daily exercises.